If you ever feel like you're having trouble breathing and you just feel really heavy in your chest and your lungs, whether it's from bad air quality, smelling fire smoke, or just having some issues with your respiratory system. Have you ever felt like that? Well, I think this juice drink can help tremendously. I was exposed to some fire smoke recently and my body just craved this recipe. So I created it because I knew it's what my body needed. And it helped to clear up my lungs and my respiratory system. And I felt so much better. And I think it could help you as well. So if you want to give it a try, I call it my super green oxygenator juice recipe. It's also on my website, but I'll list the ingredients in the description. It's basically 4 celery stalks, 2 limes, juice it with the peel on if you're using organic produce, which I highly recommend. Also 2 lemons, 2 bunches of cilantro. I cut up my cilantro to make it flow easier through the juicer. 2 pineapples, and I recommend 4 green apples, but use whatever apple you have as long as it's organic. And juice it all up. Wash your produce, get everything into the juicer, and enjoy this. To your health.